So today we would be looking at how to invert a binary tree on LeetCode. So basically this question has come in many interviews like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, LinkedIn. So we have been given the root of a binary tree and we have to invert the tree and return its root. So from the figure itself you can see the root node would remain same. Obviously you can imagine this as a mirror image of the given binary tree. 2 would go at the position of 7, 7 would go to the position of 2, 1 would go to the position of 3, and after that the same would happen to the overall left tree and right tree. And then at the end 1 would go at 9, 9 would go at 1. Similarly the values would interchange. So we would be looking at two solutions of it, one in simply swapping and second would be of recursion. Actually both of them would be including recursion. So I would be returning here invert root. Now coming to the part public tree node invert tree node root, and from here we would be passing up the base case, that is root is null, then we have to return null. And now after this we would be defining two tree nodes, that is tree node left equals to invert, that is recursion root of left, and similarly tree node of right would be invert root dot right. Now after this we would be doing root dot right is left, because we are going to the right which is equals to the left, and root dot left is equals to right, and simply we would be returning the root. Now we would be running up with this and it should pass, and I would submit up the solution, and it's showing that 100% of Java solutions passed, 55% faster. Now coming to the second solution, which is simply swap. I would go here and I would simply type swap of root and return root. We would simply go here public void swap tree node root, and if root is null we would return, that is the base case once again, else we would swap root dot right and swap root dot left, and we would be passing a temporary variable, that is tree node swap, let's that be temp, and temp would be equals to root dot right. It's just means swapping the values using a third variable, and root dot left would be equals to root dot right, and root dot right would be equals to temp. Okay, then we would simply be running up the code and I guess it should work. Okay, it is showing some error because we have done root dot okay, I just interchanged the values, it was this, and then I guess it's going to work. Yeah, then I would submit up the solution, and as you can see it's faster than 100% just like the previous one, but it takes less memory. It's 83.6% faster than the online Java solutions. So this is how this question of inverting a binary tree can be solved easily. Thank you and have a nice day.